Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to verify Cash App. So first of all, you can go ahead to your website, the browser basically, and go to the profile icon at the top right of the Cash App home screen. Choose security and privacy. Continue to the identity verification section. And if you're not verified, you can select to verify to continue with the identity verification, and basically select the option to verify your identity. This is offered under settings on your profile. You'll be prompted to enter personal information including your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. And if you're not in US, or if you're not a US citizen, you may need to provide an alternative form of identification. And then you're going to submit the documents. You may be asked to submit a photo of a government issued ID like a driver license or passport, and then follow the prompts to take a clear photo of your ID. Ensure the image is well lit and all details are visible, and then provide additional information. Cash App might request additional information such as your phone number and email address for verification, and then you're gonna wait for approval. Once you submit the necessary info, Cash App will review your details. This process can take a few hours to a couple of days, and then you will receive a notification once your verification is complete. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.